Okay, here we go, part two. You know what? We're just going to do more of the same stuff like yesterday. We're going to rationalize the denominator. Now, I know that when I was looking through Delta Math, I know that their go-to was always to multiply top and bottom by whatever the radical was. So, for instance, in this case, they would multiply top and bottom by root 27, and then they would get 2 root 27 over the square root of 27 times the square root of 27 is 27. And then they would simplify this, so that would be 2 and then root 9 and root 3 all over regular 27. Now the square root of 9 becomes a 3, so I have 2 times 3 is 6 root 3 over 27, and then they simplified. So 6 and 27 are both divisible by 3. So 6 divided by 3 would give me 2, so I have 2 root 3 over 27 divided by 3 would be 9. So I have 2 root 3 over 9. And that's just fine. That always works. Sometimes, though, I find it more helpful. Well, it just depends. Sometimes I just kind of like to multiply top and bottom by the smallest number that will give me a perfect square. So using the same problem, well, let me just use a different color like red. Using the same problem, if I had 2 over the square root of 27, I know that if I multiply 27 times 3, that's going to be 81. So I could just multiply by root 3, so that would give me 2 root 3 over 27 times 3 is 81, and I know that the square root of 81 is just 9. So notice we ended up with the same answer, and you will, as long as you simplify correctly and completely, you will end up with the same answer. So if you prefer this approach, absolutely that's fine. If you like this approach, that's absolutely fine. If it helps to mix it up a little bit, that's fine too. But just remember to simplify completely. So if you get a numerator like the square root of 27, see if it simplifies further. Okay? All right, that's it, guys. I'm just going to have you do more of the same stuff today. It's going to come out of the same section on Delta Math. And I'm going to have you do 12 problems. I think that's a good amount to practice. And I will just talk to you later. Okay, bye-bye.